公布上新一代的 iPhone， 相关规个手机顶头有3粒镜头，翕相的功能是愈较厉害。手机的介绍嘛比顶一代较少，台湾时间会为9月20号开始卖。
有能力1200万像素，120组超广角镜头加广角镜头的双镜头系统。iPhone 11伫台湾时间11号透早正式展示，有6种色水，搭配后正是目前手机内面处理速度上紧的 CPU， 电池比 iPhone XR 加动1点钟，也有暗暝翕相模式，加支援慢动作的自翕模式。
This is iPhone 11, the next generation of iPhone, and it is jam-packed with great new capabilities and an incredible new design.
We have an amazing dual camera system with an all-new wide camera, 3 times faster in low light. And we have a new ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view.
iPhone 11公布的介绍是美金699块起，伫台湾上价介绍是24900。过来这 iPhone 11 Pro 加 iPhone 11 Pro Max 有4种色，像这半米七这台后壁有3个镜头，搭配功能正强大眼镜翕相新系统。也毋过有人认为伊碰起来镜头破坏伊的外形。第5代 Apple Watch 伊表仔卡有正侪材质会当镜，这边介绍的重点是伊的荧幕会当一直拢光的。
Introducing Apple Watch Series 5, featuring an innovative new display that is always on. With previous models of Apple Watch, when you lowered your wrist, the display would go completely dark. But now with Series 5, you'll always be able to see your time and complications.
iPhone 3种新机拢会伫咧9月13暗开放有订，9月27日伫台湾开始卖，而且上市的介绍会比前一代小可较强，所以旧款机也会低降价。记者综合报道。
最近美国